Hello and welcome to the Views Club. Let me show you how to make a delicious, refreshing strawberry lemonade. Ingredient time. You're gonna need 6 lemons, 1.5 cups of sugar. I am using cane sugar. If you want this recipe to come out just like mine, you need cane sugar. You're gonna need a carton of strawberries. Make sure that you wash them. And 8 cups of boiling hot water. What you're gonna do with your lemons is, you're gonna cut your ends off. And we need that lemon zest of 4 lemons. You're only gonna be doing this to 4 of your lemons. You put more than 4 in the amounts that I'm giving you, your lemonade is gonna be really bitter. This is a really important step. What you wanna do is you wanna pour your sugar in. You wanna add your hot water, please be careful. You wanna mix all the sugar at the bottom so it doesn't get stuck down there and it gets diluted with the warm water, okay? Put in the zest of your lemon, of your 4 lemons in here, and you're gonna keep this to the side for 20 minutes. What I do is I put a plate over it and I keep it to the side. Start squeezing all your lemon out. Be careful not to get zest of these lemons in here because you run the chance of your lemonade turning bitter. If you don't mind your seeds in there, you don't need this. This just makes it smoother and easier for me. I finished squeezing the lemon juice out of all 6 lemons and I came up with about 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. You're gonna take the stems off. You're gonna make sure to take the stems off of all of them, okay? While you're waiting for your lemon zest blend to wait there for like 20 minutes, you wanna slice a few of your strawberries. And pick the brightest ones, the prettiest, the reddest ones. Those are the ones that you wanna use for the slicing. I usually pick about 3 or 4. Honey is gonna be optional. I use it to rim my cup so that I can dip it in my sugar and it sticks a lot better than if I just rim it with some lemon juice or something. So honey will definitely be your best friend for this recipe. You're gonna pick a plate, nice flat plate, and you're gonna put some sugar on here, okay? I use freezer dried strawberries for this next part I'm gonna show you. If you don't have this, you should be okay without it. I really like it with this. I think it looks a lot prettier. You're just gonna smash them up as much as you can. And you're gonna pour them in here with your sugar. If you still feel that you have some that have chunks, you can come here and give it another smash. You just want to mix it around so that the sugar incorporates with the powder from the strawberries. Okay, what you want to do is you want to take out your zest from your lemonade. Okay, you don't need these anymore. Give it another stir at the bottom in case you have any sugar left over, that when you're poured in your pitcher, you take that sugar with you. To your blender, you're gonna add about 2 cups of ice, your strawberries, and about half your lemonade. Then you're gonna blend. At this point, you want to taste the sweetness of your lemonade. That's perfect. Pour the lemonade you just blended back in the pitcher. And that's how you make the Views strawberry lemonade. If you would like me to show you how to showcase your lemonade like I do on Instagram, keep watching. And you're gonna get your honey and you're gonna smear it all on the rim. Then you're gonna dip it into your sugar strawberry mixture, like this. To get a nice rim. Once you've rimmed your cup with the sugar and the strawberries, you're gonna pour the ice in here. Stir your strawberry lemonade. Because if you don't stir it, you're just gonna get the foam at the top. And pour it in. Add your fresh strawberries up here. And you're set. Damn, that's so good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.